This is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today we're gonna convert a QIF file to QFX format and import into Quicken for Mac. We will use QIF2QFX converter, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded, start QIF2QFX and locate your QIF file. We will use sample QIF file for this conversion. Review transactions, review amounts, dates, pay names, memo, all details about transactions. Before converting to QFX file, set the account ID and set the account ID to be different for different accounts in Quicken. If you convert for 2 or more accounts, make sure to use different account ID when you convert to a QFX file. Also make sure to set correct account type, as if you convert for bank or checking account, set checking account. If you convert for credit card, set credit card. For Quicken for Mac, the currency must be set to US dollars. If you use another accounting software, it may allow different currency to be used, but for QFX files and Quicken, US dollars currency must be set. You may also set end balance or and bank ID if required. You must set INTU.BID value from allowed bank. 3000 is Wells Fargo Bank, and this value is allowed by Quicken. You will not see bank label anywhere when you import a QFX file, so you can use any allowed value, and there is no advantage of using 3000 or other than 3000 or any other value you know. Click the convert button to create a QFX file. You can change the location and the file name before creating the QFX file. Now you can switch to Quicken and click File, Import, Bank or Brokerage File. Select Created QFX File. Quicken shows you the account type, checking, the account ID from the QFX file, and offers you to either add new account, this is going to be account type, or select existing account. If your existing account is not listed here, it means it is different account type, or it is already online linked. So it is used to download transactions from your bank directly, or it was used to create a QFX file, create a different way. I'm gonna show you after QFX import how to unlink your existing account so it is listed here. Click continue to finish your import. So there's 2 things before importing QFX file, 3 things. First thing is to make sure you back up your Quicken data file before importing any QFX file. So this way, if you realize later that you imported incorrect QFX file, or data is incorrect, or it created for different account or something else, you can quickly revert to previous state. Second thing, before importing any QFX file, go to Preferences, Connected Services, and uncheck Clean up payees automatically improve. This checkbox, when set, can change your payee name to something you would not recognize for some cases. So I highly recommend uncheck this setting. If you have existing account with transactions and you need to import a QFX file into this account and it's online link, what you do is right click and select edit, and then click setup bank download, then click options, then click manual, then click continue, and click finish. So this way account will be completely disconnected and available to be chosen as existing account during QFX import. So here, if we say to demonstrate that, let's say we create another QFX file with different account ID, then we click convert, and when we import, because we unlink that account, so now when we import, this account is available here. That's it. So there is no categories in QFX files. So you will see that if you leave this checkbox set, then your payee names could be changed significantly, but the category will be assigned as well. So it's up to you, you can try. Again, make sure to backup your Quicken data file before importing any QFX files. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.